What's going on, y'all? It's DJ Hoppa. I'm over here at my house, in my guest room, in the San Fernando Valley, working on my album Hoppa and Friends 2. Splice hit me up. They wanted me to show you guys how I use it, how I incorporate it into my music. So I figured this would be a great time to show you because I just used it for a bunch of sounds in this song called Spastic, which features Jarren Benton and Chris Webby, and it was co-produced by me and my boy Johnny Slash. So let me just start playing it for you.
I've been going spastic, someone let me out my straight jacket, and we gon' hit them with a classic. I've been going spastic, we the gods of this rap shit, hit them up, wreak havoc. I've been going spastic, someone let me out my straight jacket, and we gon' hit them with a classic. I've been going spastic, we the gods of this rap shit, hit them up, wreak havoc.
Yeah, I do the hit, then I hop in the Benz with Hoppa and Friends. You can slide me and chopper, I'm sending shots through your skin. Be careful when you hit the block.
So Jarren sent me this verse, and he's a super animated MC. So once I heard it, I knew I wanted to put some sounds in there because he left kind of some gaps in between his ad-libs. So right off the top,
yeah, I do the hit, then I hop in the Benz with Hoppa and Friends. You can.
He said he hops in the Benz with Hoppa and Friends. He said Hopper and Friends, Hoppa and Friends. So yeah, I wanted some tires or something. Auto squeal, tire squeal. This is the Splice interface right here. It lives up here in the little menu bar. So I drag it, boom, right into the DAW, Ableton gang.
And I hop in the Benz with Hoppa and Friends. You can slide me and chopper, I'm sending shots through your skin. Be careful when you hit the block. If it ain't from some jealous nigga that be scheming, you'll probably die by your city cop. Jump out the bank and diddy bop.
All right, he said something about the city cop. You probably die by a city cop. So I definitely want to throw a siren in there. Not that crazy siren. Yeah, more like that.
Probably die by your city cop. Jump out the bank and diddy.
I just want it to go real quick though, like some whoop.
From some jealous nigga that be scheming, you'll probably die by your city cop. Jump out the bank and diddy bop. Threaten my kids, I would kill you, stand over your fucking corpse, and then I milli rock. I whip the Chevy just like Mario and Dreddy. Bitches got me fucked up, they be like, are we going steady? Bitch, open the car door, work on your cardio, get ready.
So he said, open the car door, work on your cardio, get ready. So I'm like, okay, I want to visualize that. Boom. And then some footsteps. Perfect.
Work on your cardio, get ready. Bitch, open the car door, work on your car.
Maybe not have this first one come in. Fade it. And cut it for his ad-lib.
Me fucked up, they be like, are we going steady? Bitch, open the car door, work on your cardio, get ready. Too high to answer questions that's too heavy. Don't be a downer, Debbie. Don't mean to sound it petty. Invest in real estate before you niggas drown a bezzy. Facts. Message,
So I love that line because he gives it that dramatic pause and he goes, message.
Niggas drown a bezzy. Facts. Message.
Shout outs to Don't Be a Menace in South Central while drinking your juice in the hood. I wanted to throw in like a little message, but like the more you know star and like a little, he says drown in Bezzy, so that had the jewels tied in with it.
Before you niggas drown in Bezzy. Facts. Message.
So what did I search for? I think I just searched for Bell and found this great sound.
Invest in real estate before you niggas drown in Bezzy. Facts. Message. Morphines on morphine, itching for dog food. They try to wean while quarantine. From here to Fort Greene, niggas scheme for more green. Walk on the niggas' porch and shoot the door through the door screen.
Gotta throw something to end the verse, something cool right there. Pop Splice back open. If you don't know what Splice is, man, it's a digital music platform. It's designed to keep creators in their flow, to make the best production tools affordable. It's like $7.99 a month. That's what I got. I got the $8 a month plan. But they got millions of royalty-free samples, loops, sound effects, presets, all that, man. Shout outs to Splice. So Jarren ends his verse saying he gonna
shoot the door through the door screen.
He gonna shoot the door through the door screen. always painting a picture. So I knew I wanted like a shotgun. There it is. Cock back the gun, and then boom. There's the shot.
Boy Green, walk on the niggas porch and shoot the door through the door.
I've been going spastic. Someone let me out my straight jacket, and we gon'
hop in the bins with Hoppa and Friends. You can slide me and chopper, I'm sending shots through your skin. Be careful when you hit the block. If it ain't from some jealous nigga that be scheming, you'll probably die by your city cop. Jump out the bank and diddy bop. Threaten my kids, I would kill you, stand over your fucking corpse, and then I milli rock. I whip the Chevy just like Mario and Dreddy. Bitches got me fucked up, they be like, are we going steady? Bitch, open the car door, work on your cardio, get ready. Too high to answer questions, that's too heavy. Don't be a down at Debbie, don't mean to sound it petty. Invest in real estate before you niggas drown a bezzy. Message, morphines on morphine, itching for dog food. They try to wean while quarantine. From here to Fort Greene, niggas scheme for more green. Walk on the niggas porch and shoot the door through the door.
I've been going spastic. Someone let me out my straight jacket.
There you go. That's how I use Splice, incorporate it into my workflow, and add those finishing touches to my shit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out Hoppa and Friends 2 on Broken Complex Records. Peace.